Hello, welcome back to my channel. A few days ago, my daughter was over with my granddaughter and she came into my study and she heard me working on my video and she asked me, "What's a Dutch bucket, Papa?" And that's a pretty good question, and there are probably some other people that wonder the same thing. So I looked it up. I didn't know. I use Dutch bucket for everything, just calling it a Dutch bucket since I started doing this stuff. Anyway, a Dutch bucket has come around in the Netherlands, and there was a guy that wanted to grow roses year-round in his home. So he developed a bucket with the drain, with the whole works like this, and he called it the Dutch bucket. The name stuck. Later on in time, another guy comes up with the bato bucket. And the only thing, as far as I understand, the only difference between the Dutch and the bato is there's a notch cut out here. And that's your drain line back to your reservoir. This wasn't there. You had your supply line with your fertilizer mix, and then it went through the unit for your plant, whatever you had there, and it went back to the reservoir. Now, everything is a Dutch bucket. This is a Dutch bucket. This is a Dutch bucket, and you put that in. And a trash can is a Dutch bucket. You want to make it a Dutch bucket? It's a Dutch bucket. So that's all I have for today. I hope you found this information useful. If you have any questions or comments, please subscribe. And if you want to know about how to make this bucket, check out the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.